How's it going, guys? Welcome. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Who's here? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's drop a comment. Martin, good morning, mate. Welcome, welcome. Yes, guys, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Let's see who's tuning in today. I am interested in gold longs still. I'll break that down in a second. I am interested in gold longs still. Just, I will break the market down soon. Alex, big buys today. Yeah, I think so too. The 4 hourly, what's that saying? Like I say, the problem with gold now, we are coming into a big level. So I'm just going to see how we close on this hour. I'm interested to see how this hourly closes. But I do think we've got a potential to trade this back up. I'll break gold down in a second anyway. I won't be doing anything until the hourly closes. Morning, Chris, mate. Welcome, welcome, guys. Yeah, like I say, guys, if you've just joined and you've got any questions or you just want to say hi, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Yeah, welcome to another stream, guys. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Devlon. Devlon, I see you, new subscriber. How's it going, mate? Let me just quickly Instagram. I just want to post the live on Instagram really quickly. Once I've done that, guys, we'll crack on. Like I say, one sec, let me just also... But yeah, guys, let's see who's here anyway. Devlin, morning. Welcome, bro, welcome. Yes, guys, welcome. How's it going? Devlon, welcome to the stream, mate. New face. New face here, good stuff. Yeah, let me just share this on Instagram and then we'll crack on. Like I say, I'm not doing anything at least until in for the next 5 minutes. So let me just post this and then I'll do the analysis and then we'll see if we can check any entries quickly. Or I can take any entries, should I say. Just woke up. Yeah, it's early. Like I say, for anybody who doesn't know the schedule now, so the schedule for me is on big USD news days, I will be live only for the London session. So that's the plan going forward. Yeah, that is the plan going forward. Also, if you're not subscribed to my, one sec, let me just do, not subscribed, if you haven't followed the Insta, let me just share the Insta really quickly, so you can all go and follow. I will give you a follow back on Insta too. I've only just created this account, guys, too, so don't, I only created this account maybe a month ago, but I haven't really been, how do I share my profile? I don't even know how to share it properly. Not there. Okay, nice. Yeah, give me a follow on Instagram if that link works. Morning, dude. Yeah, Messa, how's it going, bro? Welcome, bro. Welcome. I think that link should work, guys. Yeah, drop me a follow and I will follow you back after. To be honest with you, I don't know what gold's already had a decent move. I did get a break even. I will break that down in a second. I did get a break even recently, which is annoying. Right, I will break down the entry that I took. I took a break even at like 6 o'clock in the morning London time. Like I say, we've got heavy USD news today. So... Devlon, do I have a Telegram group? Devlon, do you want the free Telegram or do you want the Discord community mentorship? Yeah, Devlon, what do you want? Do you want the free Telegram? Or do you want the Discord community mentorship? The free Telegram is basically where I put all my links. Maybe, like, I update people on community results and stuff there too. Any links for YouTube, TikTok, etc. That's what goes there. Both, alright, nice. Okay, Devlon, one sec. I'll first... If you want to sign up to the Discord community, learn the full strategy, the system, get profitable, you know, you get all the chats, all the members chats too. Sign up there with that link. It's only £60 per month, and the value you get for that £60 per month is crazy. Like, you get full strategy, trade breakdowns, Zoom calls. We have like 4-5 Zoom calls per week with the Discord community. You get a one-to-one as well, end of the month. So if you want to join the Discord community, just click that link there. But if you just want to join the free Telegram, for all the links, I'll drop the free Telegram. This goes for anybody too. If you want to join either one, Telegram's the second link. Discord community access is the first link, okay? So for me, what I'm seeing on gold is that gold's had a little pullback, sweeping liquidity, look. We've swept some liquidity to the downside, which is good to see. And another thing that I've noticed is that gold's actually taken a little bit of this trendline liquidity. So if we can start closing it back above this level at 26.76, I'm going to look for them continuation long trades, okay? I'm going to look for gold to continue long. You know, this hourly's taken prior hourly lows, daily's bullish. You know, the weekly's closing bullish too. Let's try and carry that momentum to the upside, okay? What did it close above? It just did close above, so I do think we can get some half-risk longs here. Am I going to try and catch, what's that bottom wick? Not a big enough bottom wick for me just yet. But I am going to try and catch. If we can get like a decent 8 to 10 tick bottom wick here, I will take the flip of this higher half risk. Because we are a little bit in between this level, above it and below it, okay? It's worth joining. I'm a member. It's brilliant. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, guys. I will be doing like, cheers for the reviews as well. Anybody who does send me reviews on Instagram, I appreciate it. Like, I do get some decent, well, everybody gives good reviews, to be fair. I haven't had a bad review yet. But I did want to take this long. It's just annoying that it only gave me like a, what's that, 4 or 5 ticks. It's not a bad bottom wick to say the volume's not brilliant. Like, we've got 25 ticks into them highs. Now, I'm just going to see what gold does. Like I said, the hourly has just opened. So we could flip back down. I'm personally not in this position yet, guys. But it is valid for half risk for sure. There is a valid trade there. You know, we took liquidity down here. We've closed back above. You've got a decent, like, 25 ticks into them highs. Like I say, I'm personally not in this. I wanted a bit more of a bottom wick. Like, it only gave, like, 4 to entry. But it is definitely a valid trade. I have just drawn this up for now. One sec, guys. Back in a sec. Yeah, watch gold absolutely smash that target because we're not in the trade. But this week, like I said, this week, I took, you'd have seen the YouTube video. If you've not watched the YouTube video, guys, I've just uploaded a new YouTube video. I break down 2 trades. The first trade is a 20 to 25 tick long that we took in the community. I profited $600 across 3 accounts there. The second trade is just a call that I gave on YouTube Live that I wanted to break down. That was like 55 ticks. But yeah, the second trade I didn't take, but the first trade I did. You know, the 25 tick trade. Like I say, I profited like $600 on Tuesday just from that one position. So there's no need to rush into anything today. Like I say, we would have been probably break even there anyway. From entry, it's moved like 7 ticks. But, like I say, one second, guys. Let me just... back onto this. I'm just getting a drink of water. But yeah, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in. We've got 20 people here for the London session. Nice work. How is everybody? Has anyone taken any positions yet? I've taken one position this morning. It was the hourly flip. Let me break it down for you whilst we're waiting for gold here. I'm probably just going to wait for some 5-minute confirmation now, to be honest with you. But I took this pre-London at 6 a.m. And it's a bit annoying. I had longs into these liquidity highs. And look what gold did. Gold closed above this level. Beautiful level, look. Resistance, resistance, breaking back above. When it breaks back above, you've got that clearance into these highs for like 35 ticks. And I took the hourly flip. And look at it. The hourly did flip. One sec, let me just X out of this. I took the next hourly flip higher, here. And it actually did hit take profit, look. Entered me in around here. Had stops below for about 8 ticks, and it would have hit final TP. The only reason why I got break even on this is because if you look on the 5-minute, it pushed up about 10 ticks, took these liquidity highs to the left, both of these liquidity highs. I went break even as we took that liquidity. Once we took that liquidity, I went break even, and if you look on the 5, look at the 5, it pushed up, came down, hit break even, and then continued. And it just is what it is. I manage the same way every time, so it doesn't bother me at all. But like I say, it's not a missed opportunity. I followed the plan. 35 ticks lost, but like I say, it's been a great week already. We're up a lot over the last 10 days to start the new year. Well, the last 7 trading days, you know, like what on my funded accounts, like 5K. Long in swing, silver, copper, crude, gas, heating oil, nice. I think the chart is so ugly on lower time frame now. On the 1 hour looks fine. Yeah, the 1 hour looks good for longs potentially, but the only problem with gold is just look at the liquidity to the downside. Look at the liquidity to the downside. You've got like this slow push to the upside kind of. And all these laws are very vulnerable to get taken today at some point, whether that's on news, whether that's in the London session. But like I've said, if we do get back below this level here that I was buying above before, 26.74, if we get back below there, I'm going to look to target some of these laws to the downside, 26.68 and 26.71. That is the overall targets, but I need to get back below here because look at what gold's done. Big resistance, came back into it, pushed down, came into it, pushed up. If we get back below here, I will personally be looking for them sells down into these lows. And you know, even if we can just catch them down, you know, you got 25 ticks there, which is perfect. And that's all you need, 25 ticks and done. And for buys, like I say, I'm looking for some confirmation maybe. It's a bit messy up there right now. You'd like to see a pullback. Before gold actually had a significant move higher, you'd like to see a pullback before pushing higher. Are your funded accounts scams? Loads of traders? No, mate. I prove that I've got... Do you know what? Just to prove it, look, Alex, go to the free Telegram. You'll see different account numbers. One sec. I've got 3 linked Top Step 150k combines. Let me take a screenshot. Anybody who's in the free Telegram, if you think I'm scamming, let me try and show you here. I'm going to put it on my phone because I can't share my screen on my MacBook. But on one funded account here, this is on my phone. Let me just get the account up. There you go. If you can see, this is not a scam. Like I say, I'm not scamming. Express 150k, 1,400 up on one account, and I've got 3 different 150ks, so it's like 5k. Beautiful swing structure, mate. Yeah. And if you want me to share all my accounts, you can all have a look at them. It really doesn't bother me. I've got nothing to hide, but that's just on, look, 150k Express, 101 sec, 150k express, that's my break even, negative 11. And then balance 1.335 up on one account. If you can see that. If you can't see it, sorry. But yeah, 1.3 or 1.4k across 3 accounts times 1.4k by 3. You can do the maths on that. That's how much I'm up over the last week. That were clean, to be fair. That long were clean. Yeah, 8 ticked stop loss. It actually did pull back and give you that. As mentioned, look at that. There you go. You got 24 ticks there. I haven't taken this position, guys. Like I say, I'm up a decent amount this week. But anyway. Beautiful traffics on oil, dude. Let's have a look, bro. Let's have a look at US oil. Like I said, I don't look at oil. Oh, yeah, you got a liquidity grab there. But have you got anything to target? Yeah, you could probably, like I say, you've got some decent structure here on oil. You could probably, I think, yeah, you could probably see 74s, 74.8 on oil. Look, resistance, so resistance. You know, gold and oil, they love the levels. We know gold does, and I know oil does as well from experience. Like, look to the left, resistance. Oil always comes back into levels. So yeah, you could probably see longs into there. But like I say, I don't trade that. I only trade gold. It's a pity there. There's 25 ticks on the table, but I wanted a stronger close. But Alex, I understand, bro. I understand. There'll be a lot of people who can fake copy. Like, there's no fake here. Like, I posted all the different accounts when I passed them. They're all different. 3 metals, 3 oils, 3 indexes, that's enough for me. Yeah, good stuff, Messer. For me, just gold's enough. Gold's just good for me. Into them highs, you know, you got 27 ticks there. Like I said, I did call it out, but I didn't take the position. I'm very transparent with what I take and what I don't. Even in the community, even if I see members taking a beautiful setup, if I don't take it, I just simply say I'm not in this position. There's no point in not being transparent about it. Like, I didn't catch this. Like, even that trade breakdown I did on YouTube, I caught the 25 tick entry long, did make 600, but on the 55 tick, which I wish I did catch, I didn't catch, but I'm transparent about that. I didn't take the 55. If I did, I'd have been very, very happy, but just wasn't the setup for me. But like I say, I know if you did catch it on the live. Hi, just moved to Kuwait from the US. Got a great job. Good stuff, Andrew, mate. Ready to trade. What do you mean by London session? I'm aware of trading during the opening of the US futures market. So London session is just when the London stock market opens, and it opens at like 8. Sorry, one sec. Someone just messaged me. Yeah, getting back to your question. One sec, let me come back onto it. Yeah, so the US is, if you understand the US stock market open, it's just the same. The London's just the same. You got London session, US session, Asian session, all three different sessions. If you want to know the different session openings and closings, just type in stock market opening times, or just put in London market opening times for where you are in Kuwait, and you'll be able to understand it. Is there enough volume during other hours, or is it just different futures market? Yeah, so there's volume. You normally see volume at the open and closes of sessions. So as you go from London into US, you see volume, and then US Open, you'll see volume. Then it'll die off a little bit, and then as you roll into Asia, depending on what you're trading, you'll see different volumes at different times for sure. But I like pre-London, switch over into London session now, what we're trading, and I like this switch into US too, pre-US and US. So that's what I trade. I trade London and US session. That's it. But for me, like I say, for me, London's 8 o'clock. Pre-London's like half 6 going into half 7, and then the switch over. You normally see the volume like we've seen here. This volume here is the 7:45 to 8 o'clock volume. Look, you've got like 50 ticks there. Like I say, it's not much pip value volume, but it's still there. There was an entry there too. Look at that, and it was literally on the 8 o'clock London Open into them highs, 25 ticks. Guys, drop a like as well. Let's smash 15 again. If you haven't liked, subscribed, like and subscribe, guys. Drop a comment if you've got any as well. But yeah, Andrew, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream. How long have you been trading, Andrew? Have you been trading long, mate? Yeah, I think if we can get back above below this level, 26.74, I'm going to start looking for sells. I'm not really looking for longs now. That liquidity's been taken, so I'm not looking for longs. I'm only going to look for some pullback sells. That would have been a nice 24 ticks, but... yeah, if we can close back below here on this next 5-10 minutes, then yeah, I'll just take the shorts down into this liquidity. And we've got like 50 ticks there, which is decent. Decent range down. And is there any entries of the 30? Yeah, I'd love this 30-15 to close below here. That gives you clearance down for sure. Like I say, I'm going to keep these on for now, just these lows. Bam, bam, bam. But to be honest with you, I was a bit hit and miss if I was actually going to jump on for the London session, because when we was here and we didn't have a pullback, there was no targets to look to long into. Only because of this red candle down here, I actually jumped on. So thank this candle, thank this 7:30 candle here that pushed down. Because if it was here and it continued higher, then I wouldn't have jumped on. Just wasn't worth it. There was no way there were no pullback or anything. Aaron, morning Joe, did you have a mentor? Yes, mate, of course. I've been trading 7 years now. I've had many different mentors. Like I say, I'm not gonna name every single one, but I've had many, and not just mentors. Like I've watched different people. I wouldn't say I've paid for many groups. I wouldn't say I paid to join many communities, but in terms of like education and stuff, have I watched different people trade? Yeah, of course I have. I think everybody who trades watches videos of other people to learn new things. Not now, no, because I'm so dialed in on what I do, and we're so successful in the community with what we do. There's no need to watch anybody else for me. Like, I'll get some people on TikTok messaging me about a mentor or a YouTuber who trades, and they'll say, "Oh, do you know this person?" I'm like, "No, I don't." Like, they're new on the scene in the last 2 years. I just haven't watched anybody. I don't watch anybody at all anymore. What's the significance for that white line under the body of the bullish candle wick? This here, Alex. The reason this, right, guys, for those wondering why I've got this white line at 26.74, look at what price has done at this level. Resistance. Look, reacted, and I'm gonna say reacted because I don't know if everybody understands the resistance and support terminology, but look how prices wick rejected and pushed down. Look, came into this level, pushed down, came into this level, pushed above. Look what happened at 8 o'clock. We came into this level and pushed above. Okay, so I'm looking to go short. I'm looking to sell below this level. Why am I looking to sell below this level? Because if we come back into this level, what could price do? If we come back into this level and I start looking for shorts here, say, with my stops here, what could price do? It could go straight into my stop loss. It could react from this level of support again and take my stop loss. So that's not the most high probability move. The most high probability move for me is to wait for a close back below 26.74. Once we get that candle closure below, like so, I can start looking for my sells down. If I start looking for my sells down below this level, I'm going to get that move into the liquidity below, okay? And that's why I've got that level, just to stop me getting into the market too early. I've just been tinkering around, learning the mechanics of placing trades and managing them, being off and on during my move. I'm about to get dedicated. Good stuff, Andrew, mate. Good stuff, bro. You, like I said, depending on what strategy you want to learn, if you want to learn my strategy, learn the full strategy, and get inside the members chats and trade breakdowns, etc., the mentorship program that I offer, feel free to sign up and join there. But like I say, and that's why I started trading live on YouTube too, because I needed, like, there's so many people who sell courses, sell the same garbage, but they can't prove it live. Like, half of people who sell courses don't trade live, and that's so important. So even if you don't learn to trade with me and don't join my Discord community, make sure you find somebody who trades live. Like, look at the win rate to the left, 75% win rate. That's all, seriously, if you go through all the lives that I've done, that's all tracked. All of it is tracked. Every time I take a trade, it goes straight onto there. So 75% win rate on stream is not just a figure from that I've just got at the top of my head. No, it's every single session where I've taken a trade, it adds up. And that's just me showing you that my strategy works, and it is very, very high win rate. Because it's good me, like, telling you all, oh, use my strategy, it works, but, like, if I can prove it to you here, which I do daily, yeah. Sean, welcome, mate. How's it going, bro? Welcome back, mate. Gold just wants to continue higher. The thing with this hourly that's super suspect to me, look at this hourly on gold. Gold will trend, and something you'll notice on gold, it will trend very clean to the upside or downside, and it will create liquidity. It will create liquidity under all this structure, like so. And what you'll find, literally, gold, if you get that closure below here, 26.74, it will absolutely fly to the downside, take all this liquidity, and then the move to the upside will happen. Like, I can show you so many examples. Let me just reverse back. Look at this. This is just proof. Trending so cleanly. Yeah, we longed and we profited on the way up. And then look what happened. Built all this liquidity below. Gold built all this liquidity below. It shot down. And then look, pushed up. Look what it's done now. Taken all this liquidity. And that's what I think it's going to do here. It looks good now, but I think we're going to have that push down today, at least today. What's the 15 saying? You'd have been break even on that anyway, to be honest with you. If you did take that long, you'd been break even with partials. If you did take profit at 25 ticks, nice work. Wow. Bad cough. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments too. Guys, smash a like on the video too. Let's get to 10 again. Smash a like. We're at 7. Yeah, let's smash 10. We need 3 more. If you want to, just drop a like. Let's get to 10. Smash 10 and then we're clear. Yeah, let me check the comments really quickly. But yeah, only one trade for me today, and that was actually pre-London session. I'm still waiting for another setup. Can we go any further up? Look at that. Literally though, since that call, just that call there, if you're still holding, I mean, you're in decent profit now. But gold faked out this level, enticed all them sellers, early sellers in, bang, straight up. Let me just share this to the community really quickly too. Where did you see the next target for gold? Aaron, do you mean now we're taking this high? That's the thing. That's the thing that we're struggling with now, Aaron, mate. The only liquidity you've really got on gold are these highs at 26.92. Okay, you've got 26.92 here, which for me is too far away. You know, you've got 140 ticks there. What I want to see on gold, I want to see them pull back sells below 26.75. Okay, if we can get back below this level, I'm going to look to sell gold. And then once we've sold and made profit on gold on the way down, we'll have more liquidity to target because gold will have pushed up, we sell down, and then we have the targets here to buy into. Okay? So for now, you haven't really got any liquidity targets until you create a new range or pull back. You know, if we pull back, we've created that new range to long then, and then we can long into here. Oh, nice one, guys. Smashed it. There we go, guys. I've just smashed a comment in there too. Can we hit 15? Sorry for begging, but I like it. I want to hit I want to hit 15 each stream. Where's everyone from too? Where's everyone based? Drop a comment. Where's everyone based? UK, US, Australia, Asia. Get a comment in. Where's everyone from? What's the hourly saying? Hourly still pushing up as expected. Decent ranges on gold though, to be fair. It's been very clean price action here. This leg here has been very clean. Decent structure. Look at the structure here. Look at gold with this structure. It's so clean. Alex, London, nice mate. Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful. Look, even now, look at that reaction, pushed away. Look at that on gold, and people get chopped about on gold so much, and it's way more simple than you need it, than it needs to be, like than people make it. London, nice, Alex. I want to get them sells down. But it's only time to sell back below this level here. I think if you get back below here, if we get back below 2674, I think you've got at least, or I think for me, there's at least 100 ticks to the downside into some liquidity. I'll probably just leave runners into these lows at 2662. Because look at the 4 hourly too. 4 hourly is coming into huge support. Look, resistance, acting as support to come down into huge support, acting as resistance to pull down, to pull back. I think you've got 100 ticks into some levels below then. But like I say, we can't do anything until we get back below here or close in, well, we've just closed now on the 30. And 15 instantly pushing up. You're probably going to see that pullback, take these highs and pull back. Bang. Look at that weekly on gold. You know, on the Monday or on the Tuesday gold market outlook for the day, when gold was trading around here, and that was how long ago? You know, 280 ticks ago. And in the market outlook in the community, I said watch gold from around here to push into these highs here, and then into some levels above. And since that call, it's pushed about 290 ticks, which is very, very clean. Just based off that weekly time frame as well, what the weekly is going to do. If anybody wants me to look at any more charts as well, let me know. Gold needs to hit 92 levels before sells. Yeah, potentially. But what are you buying? Like, gold could, of course, buy into them levels, but is it going to do it instantly? Probably not. And I think so too. For any long-term sells on gold, for any long-term buys on gold, sorry, you're probably going to come and reach in these highs, of course, yeah. But is it going to just push straight up? No. For me, if we get back below 2674, you can get some sells, and then we can look to buy into them highs. Do I think gold will just fly into them highs right now? Probably not. Do I think it could pull back below 2674 and then continue higher? Yeah. So I'm not just going to wait for gold to come all the way up into here before looking for sells. No, because that's just a waste of time. You know, you could be waiting for days for that. I'm going to sell down and then buy back up. But gold needs to create liquidity, more liquidity above. Gold needs to pull back, give us that short trade. And once it's got this clear liquidity here or here, then it can go into 26.92. There's no, other than 26.92, what other liquidity has gold got to go into, or recent liquidity? There's nothing for it to run into yet. If there's nothing for it to run into yet, it's not going to get close to 26.92 yet. It needs to pull back, grab these lows, and then push higher. Yeah, I want to see some sort of strong pullback, and then we can sell. Like I say, or I can sell, should I say? I think if this next 30 can start seeing that momentum down, then I'll just sell below 26.74. Yeah, I'll just sell below 26.74 down. Can I have a look on GU? Think it might start pulling back up. Let's have a look at GU. Great British Pound, US Dollar. Let's have a look. Oof. Yeah, it's taken heavy, hasn't it? It's taken a heavy downside push. GU and EU. I tell you what, mate. You actually aren't far off for me too. We've just liquidated these levels here. We've just liquidated these lows to the left. And we've got this nice level 2 look. Just look to the left, resistance, support. I think any sort of weekly close, any sort of strong daily / weekly closes back above here, then you're going to see the proper move. If you start getting a push above this level, closure, after taking this liquidity, you're probably going to see some pullback, maybe into some highs or into some structure above market. So if you get back above there, you know, you've got like 218 ticks there, which is quite a decent push. But look at gold on the monthly. Look at GU on the monthly. And look at EU as well. Euro USD. Wow. Last 4 months has just been downside. How many, in terms of pips? 900 ticks. Decent. Get back to gold anyway. Yeah, not much volume on gold. Let me link it again really quickly. Anybody who wants to join the free Telegram, I've just linked it in the comments on YouTube. There you go. Get yourself in if you want to join, that is. But yeah, sells back below here. You know, even if you get back below, say, below these lows, even into them lows, you've got 20 ticks first target. But overall, I think gold can pull back quite heavy. You know, over 100 ticks. If it closes below this range here. Let me screenshot this. I'm just going to stick it in the Discord. Put it in the Discord community really quickly. Bam, 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 bam. But yeah, plus 100 ticks there, I think. Get back below this level. And it's not just because you've got lows there too. You've got built trendline liquidity too. Look at the trendline liquidity here. Price tends to come down into the lows that touch the trend line. So down into here. So from here to here is a very good range for me personally to start shorting down into. But like I say, I'm not just gonna start shorting like retail traders do now. Retail will be shorting now and getting taken out. I'm gonna wait for gold to get below here, and then I can start that. Do I trade anything apart from gold? No, mate. Just gold, Alex. Seriously, you only need one pair. Like, I still take 10 to 15 trades per week on gold. And that's plenty. And I don't even trade for the full day. I trade 2-3 hours in London, 2-3 hours in US, and I'm done. A lot of the time I am in the Discord community with the members because they're, you know, looking for positions. Everyone's looking for positions at different time. I'm there to give what I think's happening on the market. But am I actively trading all the time? No. You know, a lot of the time when I have a range, I set alerts. So let's say my range is here. I'll have alerts set here, break above, look for longs. But yeah, gold's just like the most perfect, most smooth. Works with liquidity very well too. Seriously, it'll change your game. Move to one pair. Or just trade gold, learn liquidity, how I teach liquidity, and it'll literally change your trading. The amount of members who've come to me and said that their mindset, the psychology, and the stress of how they used to trade is just way, way better now. Yeah. What's this? Gold, look at gold at 5. Not doing much. Let me just get my other phone. One second, just let me just get my other phone really quickly. Hey Joe, late again. No worries, Dean, mate. You here now, bro? You here now? Have you traded today yet, Dean? Or are you still waiting? For me, I've traded one break. I've taken one break even like here. But yeah, it did push up like 30 ticks too. But it is what it is. Yes, nice one for the likes, guys. Guys, if you've not liked already, or if you're not subscribed, like, subscribe, drop a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's smash 15 likes again. We're at 10 currently. Let's crush it. Let's crush it, guys. Come on, we only need 5. We're at 10. Let's smash 5 more, and we're done. Gold will give us a setup when we get to 15. Someone just said. But yeah, it's Friday and the volume is Look at that. We've been sat here for since 20 minutes. And gold has pushed from high to low in 20 minutes, 20 ticks. Was out on a ride and had to reroute due to flooded river. Really? Wow. Good ride though. How far did you? How long did you do? Is it not warm in South Africa right now? What's the temperature there, mate? It's turned into 60 kilometers. Jeez. That's some going though, bro. Nice. Good way to start the day. Oh. Time would it be? Yeah, similar. Price action on the 5 is grim. I wouldn't even look at it. 15 is probably the cleanest. What's 30 saying? If you want to watch the new YouTube video I posted too, I'll drop the link. There you go. I've just dropped the link for the new YouTube video I posted. There's a couple of trade breakdowns in there and a little bit of day in the life kind of content. If you want to watch it, I've just linked it in the chat. Click that and save it for later if you want. Nice one for the lights, guys. 12. Yeah, like I've mentioned before, the problem with trying to long gold now is that where do you long gold into? You've got this, which is like 120 ticks away, but look what you're coming into now. You're coming into a huge level. This is a big level on gold, 2679 area, look, resistance, support, could act as resistance and pull back. What you need to wait for on gold is one or two things. You need to wait for price to close back below 2674, or I'm going to look for gold to close back below 2674, and then I'm going to look to sell down into some lows. Or you wait for the pullback, the range, and the break back above the new range to continue higher, or break back below to continue lower. That's the only thing you can kind of look for right now. There's no way you can buy, or for me personally, there's no way that I can buy. And I can't sell below until we get back below here. Let's have a look who else. Do you swing trade at all? Alex, I enter positions. I enter positions for like, 30, 40 ticks profit on average. But I'll leave runners as swing positions, and I will catch some decent moves. Yeah, like plus 200 ticks sometimes. So yeah, I do hold swings, little runners. I do hold little runners as swings, but Normally, I'm out for like 30 or 40 ticks. Which 30, 40 ticks a day is really all you need. Or 30, 40 ticks twice a week is all you need at all. 30, 40 ticks a week is all you need. Especially if you, like me, I've got multiple funded accounts. I only really need to, because I've got multiple accounts, I only really need to take like 30 ticks on average per week. And it's still a very, very good payout, okay? You know, if it's on average, you know, my average weeks are like 80 to 100 ticks on average. They're good weeks, you know, they're very, very good payouts. But even if I take a third of that, I'm doing very, very good. Anyway, just a third of that. I can see it breaking down bearish now. Me too. Just because look at the hourly. The hourly's got so much liquidity to take. And gold's slowing down at this level like I've just mentioned. And the trade will come. You just got to wait. You just got to wait for the close below this level. What's everyone? Anybody got anything interested on this weekend? Anybody doing anything Saturday, Sunday that they want to share? If you want to, that is. You don't have to. Just let me know. Back testing, I hope. Can't remember the last time I back tested. Not in the last few months anyway. I used to back test constantly. When I was actually in the first like 4 years of like when I wasn't even profitable, I didn't even have a payout for like 3 or 4 years. I literally back tested every single day. The first thing I do when I come home from work was run up, go on my laptop and back test for like 3 hours. And obviously that work does pay off. Let me tell you, when you first learn, you have to work hard and it does pay off. But when you're profitable and you found a system and you know what you need to look for and where you need to see it, less is more, kind of. You can work harder in different areas. Yeah, any questions, let me know too, guys. If you any more questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. If you want to discuss anything at all regarding trading, traveling, your goals, what you want to get out of trading, just let me know. We can discuss it. If there's anything that you think that's holding you back as well that you need to discuss, just put it in. It's open discussion. But yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to stay on if we don't close below. As mentioned, back below here, I'll take positions down. Sorry guys, I'm just updating the community with my analysis right now. Yo, Naz, how's it going, bro? Welcome. I can go through my journal at the weekend, to be honest. Yeah, Aaron, you can do. I journal every position, and I go through it. It's good stuff, man. Naz, welcome and welcome to the community too. Good job taking the leap into mentorship. We'll smash it. But looking for sales, yes, Naz. I've just put a update in the Discord community in the gold chat. Sells for me back below this level, and the reason I'm looking for sells below this level is because look, every time we came into this level, we've reacted away. Even recently, if we nip onto the 15, price came into the level and pushed above. What could it do again? It could come into this level and continue higher. So if we can get back below here, 26.74, I'm going to look to sell into this trendline liquidity, which is sells for like 110, 120 ticks. Also, Naz, have you had a look through some of the videos yet? Have you had a chance to look through some of the content yet, mate? But right now, gold, I'd say it's in this range here. Even though I'm not really looking for buys, I'd say it's in this range. If it gets back above there, then yeah, you're probably going to see them highs taken for like 100 ticks. Ooh. Yeah, thanks. It was about time I joined. Haha, the information in there is really good and explained very clearly. Perfect. That's what I want to hear. Giving me a lot more confidence. Good stuff, mate. That's what it's about, bro. You've got, like I said, there's a couple more course videos I will upload. They'll probably all be up in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Like I said, there's 5 course videos there. All the trade breakdowns, they break a lot of the course down, so into examples, and the gold chat too to share ideas. And like I say, Naz, at the end of your month, when you've got like 2 or 3 days left, of your month, your first month, and this goes for every month, just drop me a message and book a 20-minute call with me on Zoom, and we can run over your progress, see how you're doing. Okay? But yeah, any Discord member in the YouTube now, every month, you know, at the end of your month when you're about to restart your month, just drop me a message and we'll go over any concerns, questions, track your progress. Let me know. I'll book that in for you. We can jump on 15-20 minutes, run over what goals you have for the next month, track your progress and stuff. Gold, what are you doing? I'd love this hourly to close below. I'd be all over sales. Sounds good, man. Thanks. Yeah, no problem, Naz, mate. Like I say, enjoy it over the weekend as well. You've got a good couple of days to go over some stuff too. But I am going to be creating a course video on confirmation and trade management, and then I should be done there. That'd be like seven videos uploaded for the course, which is enough. Because the course videos, each course video is like 20 minutes anyway, 25 minutes. So, you know, it's 25 minutes and then there'll be like 7 to 8 videos there. It's like, it's 2 hours, but everything you need to learn the full strategy is in there too. And the trade breakdowns. Look at this 15. I do think this is going to continue higher on the next candle as well. How long's the 4 hour got left? An hour. I just can't buy gold right now. It's just, I can't without clear targets. Just bought these buys from 77. Really? What was your analysis, Alex? How come you were looking for buys in this range, bro? Like I say, I don't know what strategy you trade, but yeah. But yeah, gold's slowly pushing higher. That's why so many retail get chopped about on gold too. So many retail get chopped about on gold because they just can't wait for closes of candles. And a lot of the time, and this is why retail fail to trade gold. Look at, let's just say this price action here. Look at this price action that we're dealing with here, okay? At one point, this green candle would have been very bullish and it would have looked like so. It would have, like, I know it's red, but it would have looked green bullish, like the price of it would have been, let me delete this, the price would have been here at one point. And what retail do, they see these green candles and they just start buying with the stops below the candle, and look, price smashes the stop loss because they can't wait for the close. Yeah, you're probably going to see the next candle flip a little bit higher, but I can't buy gold without clear targets. That's one of my rules. Look at the hourly. There's no area to buy gold into other than here. And if I've got no area to long into, I can't personally buy gold. Swept liquidity on the 5 minute into an order block. And yeah, I personally don't trade order blocks, Alex, bro. Because what you need to remember, all these fancy names for concepts that people trade, number one, they were all created to sell courses like order blocks, turtle soup, silver bullet, whatever you call it. It was all created to sound good to retail traders, so they bought courses. Like all liquidity, like all these order blocks and fair value gaps, all it is support and resistance. Literally all it is support and resistance. Like even if you look at the 5 minute, like where did this 5 minute react from here? Well, it reacted from a level of resistance. Or if you look at the 15, for example, if let's say you've got a fair value gap or whatever, I don't even know exactly how you spot them, but let's say this is a fair value gap on the 30 or the 15. All it is a level of liquidity where it's reacted from to go higher, a level of structure to go higher. So yeah, all these fancy names, it's just levels of support and resistance. Like here, look at this. Perfect example. I'm not too keen on it. Don't get me wrong. If this is not an order block, don't shoot me. But let's say that is an order block. Like I say, I've never really traded this system. But look, all it is resistance, 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 acting as support and continuing higher. And a lot of it is over analysis. It's analysis paralysis for sure. The amount of order block and smart money concept traders that come to me, start learning my stuff, and they go, no way would I ever make my trading that complicated again. It's just not needed. Like I've got 40, 35, 37 members in the community. seriously, guys, the amount of them that have come, the amount of traders who've come from me from trading smart money order blocks, and they've come because they just can't keep up with the analysis paralysis and all the stupid rules that they have, and just make trading simple. Seriously, trading's hard enough. You know, trading is super, super hard, and you're making it so difficult for yourself. Like, my charts look like this. My charts simply look like this. 2 lines, 2 levels, and a liquidity target. And I've met over 7 years. I've been trading, and I've got 2 levels on my chart. And it's because I've realized that the more simple, well, not the more simple, because when you need to learn the strategy, it can be hard for sure. But the more simple you make it, the better. But you see so many traders with like 6 indicators, 7 entry criterias, you know, VWAP, bloody everything you can think of on the chart, and you just relax. You can't see the chart clearly with like 10 things on it, 10 drawings. Yeah, I get that, bro. If there's no liquidity taken out the market, I'd never enter no matter what pair I'm trading. Yeah, nice one, man. Like I say, everyone has their own strategy. If you can find a strategy that works for you, if you trade order blocks and you're profitable, you know, for a long time, you know, 2 to 3 years, fair enough. But you only see order block trade. You know, you only see all these people trading these fancy names. They're not profitable for long. Maybe for a couple of weeks, they might get a couple of payouts, but they can't trade live. Like, I don't really see any. Like I say, you do see them, but most of them are. What's it? Look at that 15. Look at that, and this is why we don't long here. This is why I don't long here. There's no the candle closed bullish above, but there's no clear liquidity to the left, and because there's no clear liquidity, it instantly reverses down. Just understand that there's no liquidity above market, so there's no longs. There's literally no longs here. Gold's super choppy. Yeah, gold might come up, take this liquidity and push back down. Yeah, it could do. But is there any long-term longs just yet? No. For me, short pullbacks are better. When you analyze liquidity, do the time frames have an impact on your judgment? So for me, when I'm analyzing liquidity, and like I say, liquidity levels and liquidity targets for me are on the 15, 30 and hourly. So really, it doesn't really impact my judgment at all because I'm aligned with all my time frames. So the 15, 30 and hourly, where I find my liquidity target highs and lows, they'll look the same. So for example, if I'm looking to short, down into these lows is very clean. And if you look on the hourly, it's super clean too. And if you look on the 15, it's super clean too. So all the liquidity is the same. The only thing that you'll see different is, look at this here. This is a break above and a break back below. So this is a fake out. But if you look on the hourly, it's a wick rejection liquidity grab. So like I say, the different time frames do have a slightly impact on how the candle forms, of course. But does it impact my sort of thought process for long shorts into my liquidity? No, it doesn't, because I'm not trading like the weekly and the 15. I'm trading the 15, 30 and hourly to find my range and liquidity targets, and I'm executing on them time frames too. So everything's just clear for me. 4 hour there is liquidity, however 15 now there isn't much going bullish. Yeah, like I say, 4 hourly, and if you look at the 4 hourly, you've got a liquidity high here at 26.93. But even if you look at the 30 and scroll to the left, it's still a liquidity high. Like I say, you'll have to go back a little bit, but it is still a liquidity high target. The difference is that the thing that I look at is if I break above my range, how far is that liquidity target away? And that's 130 ticks away. Is gold going to give me an entry and fly 130 ticks without, pulling back, taking my stop loss, or before continuing higher? Very, very unlikely, unless there's news. Very, very unlikely. So for me, the best thing to wait for, what I personally wait for, is a pullback, like so. Profit on the way down, sell on the pullback, profit on the way down. When price has created that new liquidity high, look to buy into that liquidity high here, go break even here, and then look for runners into there. Leave a little bit of my runner running when we take this new liquidity high that's been created, and buy into the final target. So you've profited on the way down and profited on the way up too. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go and host a Zoom for the members. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill in a member Zoom. The members chat's quite active right now. The members chat's quite active in the Discord community, guys. So I'm not gonna stay on YouTube Live much longer. I'm gonna go and host a members Zoom call. We can chill there, try and take some positions. Yeah. I'll stay on for this 30-minute closure, but not much is happening right now in London. It's 9:10. It's 9:10. If you've got any questions, let me know. But I am gonna go and host a members Zoom call in the next hour, I think. See what the members are saying. See if the members have got any questions to ask. Like I say, I do like to do 4 members Zoom calls during the week. And then we do the members Zoom call on a Sunday too. Yeah, Alex, the reason as well, you need to understand, look, I knew, and I said this to you when you entered here. Yeah, you entered here, nice. Don't get me wrong, you've got a decent entry there. But you need to understand that, is there clear targets? No, there's not. Price is going to chop, maybe push up and then continue down because there's no clear targets. Gold seeks liquidity very, very well. Is there clear liquidity to the upside? Yeah, there might be a little bit before pushing down, but is it just going to fly? Probably not. It needs to come down at least before continuing higher, in my opinion. Thanks for the insight, Devlin. No worries, mate. No worries. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go and host a member Zoom. I'll probably be on the member Zoom for about 10 UK time. I'm going to nip to the shop, get a drink, and then I'll host it. If anybody does want to join in with the daily member Zooms, get the daily market updates, the course, the trade breakdowns, everything that you need to become profitable with gold, join the Discord community. There's about 37 members there now. I've just linked the link to my website. You can sign up there, guys. That's if you want to join. Like I say, feel free. Like I say, once you do sign up, you'll get a link sent to your email instantly, and you'll be able to get involved, learn the full strategy, learn the system that I teach. My target is 84, although I doubt it'll get there soon. 84. What's 84 saying? Yeah, like I say, mate. I'm not saying that gold's not going to push up. I'm just going to say it's going to struggle because there's no clear liquidity to seek. If, let's say, this high pushed up like so and pushed down and we had a clear high here, then yeah, I'd personally be looking for longs into there too. But because we haven't got this, I can't long into that. I can't long into here. It's too far away. Gold doesn't care about this liquidity yet. It's too far away. Gold will care about this liquidity when it does something like this. Then it will care about that liquidity when it's here, not here. gold, let me just remove this. Gold's not going to go and seek that like this now. If it does, I'll be very surprised. It'll be news or something that does it, like, yeah, like a news release that just pushes up into that liquidity, yeah. But is it going to go and seek that liquidity now? Yeah, it could push up a little bit, but it's not going to go and push straight into there now, no way. Well, I don't think so. Like I said, it's not 100% certain, but... Yeah, I want to... If I were in longs on gold, I'd be reducing my risk when we came into these highs here. You know, once we surpass these highs, you know, you've got another 10 ticks. Once we surpass these highs like here, I'd be reducing my risk to push down. For sure. You know, you've got a double top here, to be fair, on the 5 that could get taken. Once that gets taken, you've still got no liquidity, so you're gonna get this. And another thing that you've got is some trend line here too on the 5. Gold's telling me shorts today. It is telling me shorts. We've got 24 here, guys. I'm gonna do a poll really quickly. I like to do it. I like to do a poll. What should I do? Nah, we'll do one for news on Monday. There's no need for a poll. But look at gold. It's super choppy. Super choppy. I'm going to go and host a member Zoom in the next 45 hour. Members, if you are here, community members, I will be active as soon as I come off YouTube in the next 2 minutes. But like I say, I'll put a link for the Zoom. I'll put a link for the Zoom meeting in about 30-40 minutes, okay? And we'll jump on, see if we can catch something on gold. But yeah, members, I'll see you in the community. Anybody who's not in the community, like I say, if you want to join, I've put the link in the comments for you to join. And I will be live I'll be live on Monday, okay? I will link the YouTube live in the free Telegram. So make sure you tune in then. But guys, enjoy your weekend. Smash the last day of the trading week. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Good stuff though. Good patience, guys. There's no need to be rushing positions. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I'll run in a bit, mate. I'm going to head off, guys. If you've not subscribed, guys, drop a subscribe. I'll see you in the next YouTube video. The next YouTube live. Great stream. Yeah, good patience, guys. Good patience. It's what it's all about. Gold's ranging, look. Look at the 5. Just zoom on, go on the 5 and look at the range. If you've tried trading within here, that 50 tick range, you're either in a little bit of profit or you've taken a few losses before. US, oh, let's have a look at the, I'll tell you that, one sec. Let me look at Forex Factory really quickly. Let me have a look at Forex Factory. We need to go from the 13th to the 17th. Monday, yeah, US Monday, and I will be, yeah, Monday for US, Tuesday will be US, and Wednesday. Yeah. Oh, yeah, good. We've got probably just, wow. We haven't got much news at all next week, which would be good for price action. Yeah, it'd be good for price action. I'll throw in a couple of, I'll throw in a London stream maybe on Thursday. Yeah, maybe on Thursday. Alright. Yeah, London stream will be on Thursday, guys. Thursday or maybe Friday, okay? But yeah, good patience. Look, gold have like I've just mentioned, gold has taken them highs now. Could it reverse down potentially? But I'm gonna head off anyway. Good stream, guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Discord, guys, community. I'll see you in the community now. Okay, in a bit. Peace.